i35equipment.com. This is the Kobelco SK210LC-10 hydraulic track excavator. It's a really nice looking newer machine. It does have the hydraulic thumb already installed, which is great for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading boulders, and just about everything else. Has a nice large work brow heavy duty bucket on it. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. We are open by appointment only though, so just give us a call to get on the calendar. Happy to have you out. We just want to make sure the gate's unlocked for you. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. So getting this machine shipped to you shouldn't be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on our website with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you with the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. This machine does have the weld-on side guards from the factory. Just a nice little add-on there from the factory to help keep your cab and body a little safer in case you accidentally happen to tap into a tree or other structure. Also has the headache rack on the roof. That's that metal plate on the roof to give your operator a little extra safety. And the windows have already been tinted on it. It does have the cold working AEC. Kobelco utilizes the Hino motor, which is part of the Toyota group. They put it in their work trucks, the bigger commercial series work trucks, and in a lot of different machines. Such a quiet engine. Let him get parked. We'll take a look at the exterior and check out all the access panels. We'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. Work brow bucket does have 5 teeth on it. This hydraulic thumb does have 4 serrated tines or fingers. So this says what size bucket it is. Looks like 1.22 cubic yard capacity. Don't really see what size it is, but we'll get that measurement on the website for you. You can see all the photos, all the specs, and the factory brochure for it on our website at www.i35equipment.com. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory there. It's that weld-on side guard we were talking about. Really dry and clean in here. Hydraulics are looking great. website. Where we said you can see all the specs, photos, and our full inventory there. Great camera. Looks like it's got all the shields and guards. I'm not seeing any fluids, any leaks, no concerns. There's your batteries. It does have a battery switch. Over here you'll find your pattern control valve. That way, no matter who's operating it for you, you'll run it home with the pattern control of their choice. Factory rubber removable floor mat. Make sure you take it out, moves it off. Factory seat, and it does have the operator's manual back here. Emergency glass breaking hammer. Here's that operation and maintenance manual. Dual flip down armrest. Ignition, throttle. Headlight, APF, it's your HVAC, and it's working nice and cold. Get it on a station I'm familiar with here. Working radio. Over here's gonna be your horn. This is gonna be for your hydraulic thumb. You gotta drop the safety lever first. No codes, no lights, no issues. Currently sitting at 5077.9 hours. You see your review camera. You see your different gauges, and everything looks right. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to give us a call. Happy to visit with you. You can see all of our specs, all the photos, the full video, if you're online somewhere else, on the website, i35equipment.com. Phone number is 405-833-6437. Happy to have you out. Give us a shout. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.